Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to make some compost. Let's get to it. About an inch of soil, you can start adding your vegetables. Before adding all your vegetables and fruit peels, make sure you cut down the fruit so it is easier to become compost. You can also add crushed eggs. It will help the soil become more nourished. Now make another layer of soil that is 2 inches deep. After doing that, gently pat it down. Now let's add more food scraps. It is good for the soil. Potato peels and carrot peels. You can also add some tea if you want to. It gives the soil a lot of nutrients so the plant can grow healthy and strong. Now finally make another layer of soil. Now finally pat it down. Make sure to do this step once or twice because it really helps. Don't add too much water or your compost will not turn out great.